Welcome to another session. Today we are going to look at infrastructure as code. This is a way of programmatically creating all the resources in your cloud infrastructure. It could be AWS, Azure, or any other cloud. Most of them allow infrastructure as code. So if you went through a GUI for EC2, you would normally go here, right? So, and then you would try to launch an instance, and go through all the series of steps here, selecting which image you want and all that fun stuff. But then if you wanted to just, create this programmatically, AWS allows us to use what is called as CloudFormation. So all that you have to do is create a stack, which is nothing more than creating resources, right? How do you do it? You create either a JSON or YAML file. I've chosen a YAML file. I will talk about the file at length in a bit, but I'm gonna first show you the flow itself. Then we'll talk about it. My C2 stack, and then you can just leave all of this as default. Then if you see here, there is a estimate cost section here. Just click on it. It's going to show you what type of instance you're going to spin up, what's the likely cost, all that fun stuff. So this is quite useful. Then you could just go ahead and say create stack. This does take a few seconds here. So let's give it a few seconds for it to throw up that EC2 instance for us. Still in progress. So right after this, I'll be putting up a video that will show you actually how I created a very, very basic infrastructure as a code using a YAML file. Look out for that video. There you go, it completed. So we now have a EC2 instance. Let's go to the EC2 section, and it shows one running instance. So if you click on it, so there you go, that's a T2 micro that we just created. So you click on it, you could see what's happening here. So that's CloudFormation in action. That's the infrastructure as code service from AWS.